Good morning, my fellow earthlings. This morning I just left the Alexander Basin trailhead, and my plan is to go up Gobbler's Knob and then connect that to Mount Raymond today. One of the mapping puzzles of this whole every single trail project is trying to avoid out and backs, because more out and backs mean more miles. So first trail intersection of the day, that's Bowman Fork. That's where I'm going to come down, but gonna go up Alexander Basin and make it a loop. Wildflowers are crazy right now. Look at this. I'm like chest deep in wildflowers today. I'm up here on the ridge looking over into big cottonwood, and it is gorgeous. I just went and hit a little side trail. Now we're going up Gobblers. Coming off the summit of Gobblers right now, and I'm gonna head over to Mount Raymond. Here's today's reminder that anytime I say I'm going trail running, really anytime anyone says they're going trail running, it means briskly walking uphill and running what you can. So I've actually already come up here once this summer for every single trail, but I had to stop on this section right here because it was, I don't know, a little while ago, too close after my shoulder surgery. So while I did do most of the trail, I guess there's like a few hundred meters that I had to come back for. Just came down from Raymond right there. Here's Gobblers on this side, and now I'm at the trail intersection between Baker's Pass, I'm not sure which it's called, and here's Bowman Fork. This is where I'm going to go down and loop around to where I started this morning. I think that this is some of the prettiest single track in Salt Lake.